when we go into the flow pattern, there are so many patterns I see.
Yeah.
Will it
Click
always
on,
be there?
type, yeah. Those are standard flow patterns.
These are not created by
No.
consultants. Okay. When I click
So-
on payroll, there's calculate payroll, there's
Yes. So that is the payroll process.
so how do I know which one to select?
From the names you have to make out.
It's all intuitive. So, in a company, if I need to run a payroll flow for everybody, let's say US payroll, is it calculate payroll or there's something called payroll cycle?
Payroll cycle will include everything. If you go to payroll cycle, it tells you that it is like, starting from, payroll process till transfer to subledger, everything it will run at once.
Good, no, we can select this.
It's up to you. Some companies prefer doing it step by step. Some companies want to do it everything at once.
Oh, so you're saying that there are different types and we can choose
Yeah.
whatever we want to choose.
Yeah, exactly. But the flow is basically that. So whether you're doing it one by one or you're doing it together, this is the flow which is followed.
Okay.
You can see my screen?
No, one second. Prepayment process. Prepayment. After submit a flow, prepayment is called as what task?
There'll be prepayment, flow name will be there, prepayment, create prepayment, I think. Or
so if we don't give, let's say, payroll cycle, as you've written only payroll process, then what pattern should I use? If it's not full,
calculate payroll.
Calculate payroll. So before we say all this, all the entries and all the details needs to be loaded and it should be set.
Correct.
And these are very juvenile questions, but I will do that.
That's okay.
There is called quick pay payments, but prepayment process is not here. Is it quick pay payment?
No. Quick pay payment is for quick pay. Prepayment, there must be one. Type in some other way.
Okay, maybe I'll check there on the. It's not there in the payroll module.
Submit a flow, it will be there.
No, submit a flow is there. Okay, you're asking me to go to submit a flow and check for prepayment process.
Oh, you have come out of submit. You do one thing. Share your screen.
Okay.
I was thinking you are on that screen only.
Healthcare is a different legislative data group in US.
Created it.
Prepayments. What is the third step in your flow?
Third step is EFT. EFT or check payment.
Okay.
EFT payments. Let me update this also. EFT payments. Otherwise, there is confusion. No? It's called something else in my slide. Calculate prepayment.
Generate check payment.
Calculate payroll. Generate check for external.
Will they do Sorry, now you were talking that day about third party payments, right? So, so what's happening to speaker? Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
tell me.
So, that will not be, that they will all do separately, right? Because this and that is not mixed. Or is it mixed?
Sorry, come again. I don't.
Okay, now, how do I put this? Now I'm I'm on another vendor's role and you're on the direct employee role. When usually all of them get salary.
This payment is only for employees. Payroll will be only for employees, right? If we are through a vendor, then
Huh.
company will pay the vendor. Vendor will run his payroll.
Then why do they have something for external payments? What is that?
External payment is for, let's say you are paying to the benefit service provider. You are paying to the insurance company, medical insurance. You buy insurance for your employees. You have to pay them also, right?
But why is this in the payroll?
It is a process. It is a part of the flow.
Okay, this is weird. Fine. Generate check payments is there, and then there is generate check payments for employees. Which one should I use?
Usually we run this generate check payments.
Okay. Okay. And the fifth one is after EFT?
Generate payslip.
So when they say make EFT payments, isn't how will this go directly to the third party after I finish this?
EFT prepares a file for sending to the bank.
So when I say submit, what file will be
so that is that
now?
file. Yeah, the file is created in the backend. So that file will be picked up and sent to the bank.
So that will be a technical guy's job.
Yes.
We just need to submit here.
Correct. A lot of times what they do, they share the server folders also with the bank. So there is no manual intervention also. The bank program will come, check that folder. If it is there, pick up that file and take it away. So there is no manual intervention. So that nobody can see the data.
Fine. That's it. This is the last. Right?
No, then is the costing.
Okay. Which one?
So usually you have this costing of payments is one.
Which calculate costing of
payments. Or these can be run separately also, costing of balance adjustments. So if you are making manual adjustments to the balances, then you can do that. Or you can run the, these are reports, the last two.
After costing?
Yeah, costing of, calculate costing of payment. Then it's transferred to subledger.
The other day you showed me something about balances, right? Balance, dimension. I even asked you for that record because that was not very clear for me. So where does that come in all this whole process?
Where?
You showed me a place where we can go and add balance, dimension,
Correct,
something like
correct.
that.
Ah.
So, where does that fit into this whole sequence? Payroll
Balance
sequence?
is basically a running total, right? So in pay slips, you want to show employees how much they have accumulated, how much PF they have contributed till date, how much yearly amount they have contributed. So that is you set up as part of that element setup and link it to the balances.
Can you just tell me how to do that now? This is payroll sequence. This is done. This has got nothing to do with balance or anything.
No,
Okay, that's a separate process.
correct.
So,
I'll do one thing. I didn't send you the recording, did I?
no.
Okay, I'll send you the recording. Have a
Huh.
look. Okay.
And then we'll discuss balance if
Then we'll
required.
discuss. That will be better.
Yeah.
Whatever questions you will have, that will be
Fine. So with this, payroll drama gets completed when it's transferred